Unlocking the Mennonite Heritage Village with curator Andrea Dick.
The Zemlin is one of the first structures that Mennonites built when they moved to Manitoba. They came in 1874 and fairly late in the season. We all know Manitoba winters. This isn't a time to start building houses. There's a few elements in here that are luxury items. We're walking on a wooden floor instead of a dirt floor. The other luxury item that you'll see here are windows. They would have had to get them by ox cart all the way from Winnipeg. It's one open space divided with a half wall in between. This separation was to keep animals and people apart. So this first part, when you walk into the Zemlin, is where the animals would have stayed closer to the door. This would have been considered a temporary shelter for the first winter or up to a few years.
Unlocking the Mennonite Heritage Village with curator Andrea Dick. Embark on your own adventure at the MHV. Learn more online at MennoniteHeritageVillage.com.